Hey, what's up? This is Jared with Wilderness Koi. A little windy out here today, but we're heading to the mountains. We're airing down right now, so we'll get to it. See you guys in a little bit. I wonder what those are used for. Well, we just made it to the north rim, but we still got a long ways to go. We're up here in the Guadalupe Mountains. Let you guys see some of the views. As we continue on the trail ahead, we are now heading to Queen, New Mexico, a little village up in the hills where we stop and grab a bite at the local cafe. And if you are ever up there, I suggest you stop on in. They make some great food and they're really nice people. From there, we continued on to a couple trails that we found that you will see coming up in the video. We started to run out of daylight, so we couldn't make it to the very end, but that trail looked pretty cool. It looked like it was going to get a little hairy at the bottom down there. We were just spotting it out, but we're going to have to end up going back and getting some more footage. But I hope y'all enjoy the video. This is my first one, and if y'all like it, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching. And also right here, I wanted to show y'all some of the amazing views I caught with my drone before the end of this video. And also, I don't know if anybody's ever been there, but I got a little part of Sitting Bull Falls on this with my drone. It was pretty awesome. But here y'all go.